The Weber Traveler is number one, but buying it for easy carrying misses the point. Smaller tabletop picks suit tighter storage, while pellet cooking needs electricity. Choose tabletop portability, pellet flavor, or stand-up space. Number 5. Cuisinart Grillster. Carrying your grill farther than the driveway? I'd start here because compact transport is its clearest advantage. Its portability score is 8.0, so it's the easiest shortlist option to move without overbuying cooking space. It also suits high-temperature grilling from a smaller single-burner format. But that compact body limits how much food you can handle, reflected by its 4.0 cooking area score. Control is also less flexible at 5.0, which matters when different foods need different heat. I'd skip it for larger gatherings or precise temperature management. Consumable and replacement details remain unknown, so confirm those before committing. Number 4. Traeger Ranger Pellet. Want wood pellet cooking in a portable format? I'd choose this only when the destination has dependable electricity, because power keeps its flame operating. That setup requirement makes it better for an equipped campsite or patio than a remote trip. Output, control, and wind resistance are its strengths, while the 6.0 cooking area score keeps expectations realistic for group meals. The bigger compromise is movement. Its 3.0 portability score is the lowest here. So I wouldn't pick it for frequent carrying or compact packing. Skip it for off-grid cooking and check pellet and replacement item requirements before buying. Number 3. Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill and Smoker with Thermometer. If you'd rather follow prompts than constantly adjust heat, this is the versatile pick I'd consider. Preset guidance and the built-in thermometer make the cooking process easier to manage, especially when switching between grilling and smoking. Its 9.0 wind resistance score also makes breezy outdoor setups less frustrating. But versatility doesn't create extra great space. The 6.0 cooking area score trails larger alternatives, while its 7.0 output power score isn't the strongest here. I wouldn't buy it for maximum capacity or sheer output. Power and replacement item requirements aren't established, so verify the full setup before choosing it. Number 2. Cuisinart CGG306 Chef Style Portable. This is the tabletop model I'd pick when separate heat zones matter more than effortless carrying. Its 2 independent propane burners combine for 20,000 BTUs, giving you useful flexibility for cooking different foods at once. Output and control both score 8.0, so the design favors cooking range over bare-bones simplicity. However, wind resistance drops to 6.0, making exposed locations the weak spot. Portability is also 6.0, behind the compact Grillster's 8.0. I wouldn't choose it for frequent long carries or consistently windy campsites. Confirm replacement and maintenance needs before you settle on this format. Number 1. Weber Traveler. For regular patio cooking and drive-up trips, this is the grill I'd actually buy. Its stand-up design prioritizes usable cooking space and confident control rather than shrinking everything for storage. The overall score is 81, while cooking area and wind resistance both reach 9.0. That combination means more room for a household meal and fewer compromises when the breeze picks up. Control also lands at 8.0, reinforcing its balanced approach. Now the catch: portability is 7.0, so this isn't the easiest carry here. I'd skip it for tight trunks, tabletop-only setups, or trips involving long walks. You're choosing cooking utility over minimum bulk. Pick the Grillster for easier carrying, the Traeger for powered pellet cooking, or the Ninja for guided versatility. Choose the CGG306 for tabletop heat zones, while the Traveler gives households the strongest all-around space and wind balance. Before buying, confirm fuel or power access, storage space, cooking capacity, and cleaning needs. Certification claims, replacement items, and maintenance schedules should match the current official documentation. I'd take the Weber Traveler for practical household use. But if carrying ease matters most, switch to the Grillster. Choose your setup first, then use the links in the description. Squared away. Bye-bye the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.